Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. So let's begin with the easiest option. So let's pretend I've got problems with this Canvas app. So first of all, we have to begin with the force stop, and then removing cache. So let's find the app with which you've got a lot of problems. Tap on it and hold it, and now we can tap on App Info. So we will be immediately transferred to this app section, and first of all, I highly recommend to tap on force stop. Tap on it and confirm it with OK. Thanks to this option, your device will completely turn off this app, because sometimes the app is opened in the background even though it is not shown in the recents, and this might interfere and the app might misbehave. So first of all, the force stop, and then go to storage and cache and find this cache section. As you can see, we've got a lot of cache saved here. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by the device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they actually can interfere and cause the app to misbehave. So I highly recommend to tap on clear cache, and as you can see, it will be removed. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage, because unless you wish to remove, for example, user data. Alright, so after removing the cache, I highly recommend to soft reset your device, because this operation will, I would say, confirm all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located at the top, at least in this configuration. So just press it long enough until you see this menu, and just tap on restart. Your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and hopefully everything will work perfectly fine again with this app. If not, I highly recommend to checking for the updates. And first of all, you need the internet connection. So just connect to Wi-Fi, and then you will also need your Google account added to the device. You can log in after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. We've got a tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, so you can check it if you don't want to do it on your own. So let's enter the Play Store. Let me go back. So this is what you will see after entering the Play Store. You can go to your account and check for the updates, or you can simply tap on search and enter the name of the app which you'd like to update. So let me pick Chrome. So the browser, just find it, and as you can see here, we've got the information about the app. We've got it installed. That's why we've got this option here on the right. We've got the update. So all you have to do is to simply tap on update, and now your device will download the newer version, and after a few seconds, a few minutes, it will apply the new version, and hopefully it will work fine. There is a possibility that the new version also won't work, and sometimes using new version whilst the old version was still installed might cause some problems. So then I highly recommend to tap on Uninstall. So your device will completely remove the Google Chrome from your device's memory, basically. Be aware that if you wish to have all of the options connected with the Google Chrome saved, you have to have the backup, and you can also check our tutorial of how to backup your how to enable the Google backup. So after uninstalling it properly, your device will show maybe not open but install option, and after tapping on install, your device will download the newest version and install the newest version, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Another thing which you can do, considering the updates, is to update your system, because sometimes the older versions might interfere also. So let's go to the settings. Here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on System Update, which is right here, and now your device will check for the updates. And obviously, if everything is up to date, you cannot do anything here. But if your device will show you that there is a new version pending, I highly recommend to tap on Download or Install, and then apply the update. And hopefully it will work. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.